Hello everyone, welcome back to a new year. So one thing that many were still struggling with by the end of the first semester was downloading, saving, and uploading an assignment. So I'm going to try and walk you through it step by step. One thing I do want to make sure you guys know, yes, my Canvas looks a little bit different than yours, but it's still the same concept. And the other thing is make sure when you're saving your work that you know where you're saving it to. Um, you have access to Microsoft Office OneDrive, which saves everything and kind of backs it up to the cloud for you. But what I found is most of you guys struggled to find it within your computer and couldn't find the assignments that had your work on them in order to upload them. So I do suggest saving maybe to your computer or to a USB or thumb drive. Um, just note that if you have to get your computer fixed and they completely wipe it, you've lost all of your old work. So do keep that in mind. All right, so I'm in my Canvas. I'm going to go to one of my classes and go into my modules. All right, so here was one of our last assignments for Earth Science for last semester. When you go into the assignment, of course, there's always the directions and everything. You want to download it. My first suggestion before you do anything else, like start working on the assignment, when you open it, save it. Because some of your computers do not save your work before saving a copy. So just keep that in mind. So the first thing to do, of course, always hit the enable editing or whatever else comes up there. Before we do any work, we are going to save as, or some of you it says save a copy. So you'll want to do that. Find the place you want to save it to. I'm just going to go maybe to my documents. I'm going to make a folder for Earth Science. Alright, and one thing I'll probably do on here, just so that way you know that it's your actual saved file, is to actually put your name on here or something like that so you can tell it's different from the one you downloaded. Okay, so then I'm going to hit save, and so now maybe I'm going to do some work, list the 3 different types of rocks shown in Model 1. We have igneous, we have sedimentary. I can't spell it all today. Sorry, guys, and that's going to drive me nuts. And then we have metamorphic. Those are our 3 types of rocks. So I'm going to go ahead and save my current copy. You can see up here, this is the one I saved with my name on it. Hit the save icon. Let's say I'm done. Close out. Sometimes Canvas won't let you upload a file that's open. So do keep that in mind. Now when you're in student view, alright, so you guys will see a blue button right over here that says submit assignment. And you'll have to come down and choose your file. And you want to find the one that you did the work on. I know I saved that into my documents. I made my Earth Science folder and just double check it's the one that's got my name at the end and hit upload and then hit submit. This is how you want to be turning in work. You do not want to turn in the wrong assignment. I got so many blank assignments from you guys last semester that did not get graded because they were blank. If you choose, let's say you chose the wrong file, I could actually go find the blank file because it was in my downloads and see how this is the one without my name on it. That is the one that is blank, and I could have accidentally uploaded that instead. If you ever want to double check when you're in the screen, you can open it to make sure you're submitting the right file. And I can see that my work is not done on this one, so this was the wrong one to submit. And I can go back and resubmit the correct one. I hope that helps you guys. I hope I see a lot less blank assignments this year and look forward to a new semester with you.